Alright, today I'm going to try and convince you artists and specialists specifically to stop posting on Facebook. If you are a specialist at anything, I want you to check this out. Let's say I'm a saxophone player, I've got a post, and this is on Facebook, and oops, it's kind of a crude saxophone. Anyway, I post a video about low B flat. It's a specialized video. And I post this video and some time goes by, and I posted in 2016. Well, I have a lot of posts since then. And this thing gets buried and buried and buried. Alright? But this was a cool video. And I made it, and but it's just, you can't even, can you find it? Can I find it? And I'm betting not, actually. So this is the thing, don't do that. Alright? I'm going to give you 3 options right now, other ways to post your awesome content. And even get paid for it. So, let's say, so let's start over. Okay. Let's say I've got this awesome content, and I'm either going to do one of 3 things. I'm going to post that content, that saxophone. Oops. I'm going to post that saxophone video. Okay. I'm going to post this saxophone video to YouTube. And I bet you're thinking, oh, geez, it's the same old thing. But the thing about it is that if you post to YouTube, I can't remember how many subscribers you need to monetize your video. But if you got to be consistent, and you got to just keep posting your awesome content, right? So you can do that on YouTube, all right? If you don't want to do video, all right, do something else. How about Anchor podcast? And I gotta say, Jane, my partner Jane, has an Anchor podcast. She has about 60 or so episodes deep, and it's really helped her business. So that's a further conversation. But if you like audio, Anchor podcast, it's free, it's fun to use, and all you need is a phone. Okay? So, jeez, I have so many amazing artists, so many amazing friends. And the last is, you could just start a blog. And you're like, God, I know this is the same, over and over again. But let me convince you why this is really cool, okay? At least, if that awesome post, right, is concentrated in a blog, then all of that amazing content that you provide is in one place. I want to make an arrow. No, that's not how to do it. Anyway, it's all in one place. And so when people want to look for all of those very specific videos that you are a specialist at, they will look at your blog and they'll just scroll through, and you'll be able to see all of the amazing content that you've made over a period of time. So I really want to encourage you. Now, here's the thing. All you got to do is post to one of these platforms that you can potentially monetize your video, and then post it over to Facebook. Okay? So you're going here or here or here first, and then Facebook second. So you can still share with your friends, your 10 friends on YouTube. Okay? I mean, how many people are really looking at your posts anyway? I mean, you don't even know, because Facebook just isn't, it isn't the place. It isn't the place to be. Okay? That's my rant. Why am I doing this? Because I really care. And I have so many friends that are messing this up, man. And you just gotta, if you just do one extra move here, then you are what I call putting nickels in the bank for, the future. And your ideas are in one beautiful place. And you specialists, I mean, it is so powerful. You know, it's different now, being a specialist in 2018, 2019, and further, because you have all those years of experience and you can share it. Okay, I'm going to monetize this video just to prove it. So, love and gratitude, people. I hope that you got something out of this, and I'm wishing you a beautiful day.